Alright folks, welcome back to the Driveway Engineer. I'm JR. There's my Ram and there's my truck Marv. I'm scooting it around because I had a random wild hair last weekend over the holiday, and I thought, you know what, why not get this thing one color before winter while I still have, nice enough weather to paint. Marv is a work truck. If you don't remember, it was originally a 97 F250. I got a cab out of Oklahoma that's rust-free for it last year. I got a front clip out of Florida that's rust-free for it this year. It's off a Bronco. It's sitting on a 2006 Super Duty chassis. It's a real Johnny Cash. There's my Kubota that I got from Florida, which is about all it can do to move Marv. Also, at some point, I must have screwed up the steering shaft or whatever, which is what necessitated all of this. The steering shaft stripped on the box. Now the steering gearbox and the shaft are both stripped. So there goes $200. But that's the way she goes. Anyway, you guys saw me paint my Ram there with Rustoleum and rollers a few weeks ago, and that was real straightforward. And that video is up on the channel if you didn't see it. So I was going to paint this with rollers as well. You see the cab, the door there is faded to pink. It was from the Oklahoma Panhandle, Lawton, Oklahoma. But I took it from this to the next shot in one day, and it was pretty straightforward. And if I can do it, you can do it too. So I want to show you guys how I did that simply, cheaply, easily, quickly. So let's get into it. So when I tell you guys the plan is real simple, like there's nothing off camera that I'm doing that you don't know about. Like I wash this thing down with Comet, I'm gonna rinse it off, I'm gonna let it dry for a little while I go have lunch and take care of Naughty Peanut. I'm gonna come back, I'm gonna hit the whole thing with 240 grit, and I'm gonna roll paint on it. That's it. It's the whole thing. Comet wash it, blow it off, 180, 240, taper up, send her. It's really that simple. One tip I'll show you is I like to tape all my lines and then tape the paper to the tape. Makes it a little easier for me. It's okay if this is okay. Start really critiquing cars at the car show. You'll see people pay good money for worse shit than this. I'm using Gloss Sunrise Red on Marv. I'm going to use any hardener will work. This is hardener I already had. So it's going to be 4 parts of this to 1 part of mineral spirits to a half a part of hardener. I'm going to do 4 coats of paint. And that's it. It's going through a Harbor Freight purple gun at 35 PSI. No tricks, no muss, no fuss. Real straightforward. Anybody should be able to do it. So I'm going to put you up here on the stand and start painting. Alright, that was 2 quick coats. I'm going to sit there and drink that beer while bugs land in it. It's okay. It's all good. It is all good. It's got orange peel. Also all good. Dings. All good. I bet that dude isn't looking at it like that. That dude's like, wow, look at that shiny red truck. So, I'm going to enjoy my beer. I'll bring you guys right back. Oh. Alright, I didn't show the 3rd and 4th coats, but I did them. I'm going to throw this away now. I'm going to take my regulator off and throw it away because I bought it for $9 on sale. I'm going to throw away, it was 2 quarts of paint. I used this whole little thing of hardener, mainly because I had it. So 2 quarts of paint at $16 a piece is $32. That was $11. That's $44. I think those are like $22. They're kind of expensive. So $66, $76. Sandpaper. It's a $100 paint job. I mean, there's orange one over here. Sun's on it. Yeah, it's a $100 paint job, and it looks like $100. A lot of this orange peel will level out over time, just like it did on my truck, on my Ram. This was rolled on, and it still leveled out pretty good. So that'll level out. Usually I wait, if you're gonna clear it, probably like 2 weeks, maybe a month. I don't really have a month. It's September, so if I don't clear it in 2 weeks, I'm not going to clear it, or at least I'm not going to clear it this year. But that's it. That's a whole little Marv makeover. $100 makeover on a budget. Try to keep it simple. I'm actually going to bring you guys back. I'll show you with the tape off and everything. I'll do that tomorrow, but I'll bring you guys back and let you see it. So, yeah.